In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use OBS as a virtual camera in Zoom. If you want to bring scene switching, overlays, or better color control into your meetings, routing your video through OBS and into Zoom is a great way to do it. I'll walk you through the exact clicks inside Zoom so you can start using your OBS output as your camera. Quick note before we begin. This guide assumes you've already set up your scene in OBS and turned on the virtual camera there. Let's start right inside a Zoom meeting. Look at the bottom toolbar for the Start or Stop Video button. Just to the right of that, you'll see a small up arrow. Click that up arrow to open the Camera Selection menu. This menu shows every camera Zoom can see, including USB webcams, built-in cameras, and, if it's running, your OBS virtual camera. Opening this menu during a meeting is the fastest way to switch your video source without leaving the call or digging deep into settings. From that list, click OBS Virtual Camera. The moment you select it, Zoom will take the video feed coming out of OBS and display it as your camera. If your feed doesn't switch right away, give it a second or toggle your video off and back on. And if you don't see OBS in the list, make sure the virtual camera is started in OBS and then reopen the menu. Next, let's set this as your default so you don't have to switch every time. Go to the Zoom home screen, which you can reach by leaving the meeting or clicking back to the main Zoom window. On the home screen, click the highlighted area that opens your video preferences. Depending on your Zoom layout, that might look like a gear icon for settings or a clearly highlighted video option. Inside the video preferences, click Change. This opens the camera selection for your default video device outside of any active call. Choose OBS Virtual Camera here as well. You should see a live preview that mirrors what OBS is outputting. Setting it at the home level ensures future meetings start with your OBS feed already active, saving you the extra click at the start of a call. A couple of quick tips as you wrap up. Keep OBS running before you join Zoom so the camera is available. And use OBS's studio mode to preview scene changes before your audience sees them. If you ever need to revert, just pick your regular webcam from the same camera menu in Zoom. That's it. You're now sending polished, OBS-powered video straight into Zoom.